All right, guys, we love when you're having fun, so here we go. We got the geometry video 17.1, classifying triangles, okay? Fun stuff. Okay, so take a look at this. This chart is very useful. If you printed out your 51.1, you can go ahead and just write this in here. Okay, acute triangle. 3 angles are less than 90, okay? All 3 are acute, you've got an acute triangle. If you have one obtuse angle and you can only have one in a triangle, you can't have 2 because I take it over 180, that would be an obtuse triangle. If you have one right angle, then you're straight on 90 degrees, so it's a right triangle. And then equiangular means the 3 angles are equal. Remember that if you are equiangular, you're also equilateral, because if the 3 angles of the triangle are congruent, so are the 3 sides. Okay, easy enough, right? So let's party on with that. Your first task is this example right here. They want you to name these triangles by classifying them by angle. So here we go. All right, so how do you find triangle CDE? Not difficult at all. Look, you go C to D to E, and I would highlight this triangle right here. I see the 90-degree box right here, so you're going to put right. Now let me make sure that you can see everything I'm doing. It's always amazing how difficult it is for a math teacher to get this set up just right. I think I'll zoom in just a little bit more. Too much. Okay, there we go. And over a little bit. Sweet. Okay, so the next one is triangle BCE. So here is B, here is C, here is E. So it's this triangle right here. If you look at angle C right here, this is stretched larger than 90, okay? So then you would call this one an obtuse triangle. So let's put right triangle for that one. I'll put obtuse triangle for this one. And I don't know, I'm in a good mood, so let's just try one more. All right, where in the world is triangle ABE? All right, here's A, here's B, here's E. All right, the 3 angles are the same, they're congruent, so you're going to put equiangular. You got to like the sound of that one, equiangular, and it sounds just how it's spelled, triangle. It's also equilateral, you're right, all equiangulars are also equilateral, equiangular. All right, so what if you want to name them by the sides? I mean, that wasn't fun enough. All right, let's go ahead and name your triangles by the sides. And I'm going to see if I can get this baby in here just right and nice. There we go. All right, I'll grab another sheet of paper here too. Why not? Okay, so if you do it by the sides, if you have 3 congruent sides, that's equilateral. Keep in mind that all equilaterals are also equiangular. So I'm going to go ahead and mark this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle. All right, but if they say by sides, we have to say equilateral, even though it is equiangular. Well, I just keep saying that, don't I? All right, isosceles is 2 sides. The actual definition is at least 2 sides, but here you go, 2 sides is isosceles. Iso means to be alone, to be isolated, so one of the sides is different, basically is what isosceles means. All right, in scaling, all 3 are different, so you can put 1 hash mark here, 2 hash marks here, 3 hash marks here to tell the reader that that's a scaling triangle and none of the sides are the same. Again, you're going to notice in geometry, it's just a lot of vocabulary. We love our vocabulary. So let me pick a couple examples. Let's just do one from this section, and then we'll pick one from the bottom section and see how y'all are doing. Okay, triangle JKM. JKM, all right, is that biggest triangle you got going on there. If you notice, there's 1 hash mark here. You don't have anything marked on this whole KM. You don't have anything marked on that whole JM, so you're going to have to go with scalene. Okay, let me make sure we're good. We're all on the same page here. All right, number 6, it was triangle JKM. So JKM is this whole big triangle here. All right, then we're going to skip to this section down here. It says classify each triangle.